Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So, in my this video, we are gonna discuss on the topic our constitution. So let's get started. So what is constitution? A constitution is a body of fundamental rules according to which the government of a country functions. It contains the powers and the functions of the various organs of the government and their mutual relationship. It also defines the rights of the citizens and the relation between the government and its citizens. Constitution is a primary source of our laws. It also gives a detailed description of fundamental rights. What is the need of constitution? India is a vast country with various physical, cultural and social diversities. Different people belonging to different religions who speak different languages have very different lifestyle. Through difference in beliefs and actions, they have many things in common. Yet they may or may not agree on all the issues. Therefore, the Constitution provides a set of rules, principles, and laws acceptable to almost all as the basis of life and governance of the country. Constitution is a multi-purpose document which caters to our needs, requirements, future aspirations, and the ideals set before us. To meet these requirements, the Constitution serves the following purpose: defines the nature of a country's political system, it guards our national interests, it ensures that a majority group does not dominate the minorities, it plays a critical role in democratic society towards the achievement of desired goals. Preamble. Preamble is an introduction to the Constitution. It contains the political philosophy, aims, objectives, and the basic principles of the Constitution. It is called the soul of Indian Constitution. You can see the picture of the preamble on your screen. Features of foreign constitution borrowed by the Indian Constitution. The British Constitution. Constitutional head of the state like the Queen of UK, the idea of preamble, the cabinet system, the parliamentary type of government, bicameral legislature, making Lok Sabha more powerful than Rajya Sabha, collective responsibility of the Council of Ministers, Lok Sabha Speaker, the privileges of the members of the Parliament. The American Constitution, written Constitution, the federal system, head of the state is called President, provision for a Supreme Court, provinces are known as states. Rajya Sabha in India represents the states like US. The Constitution of Canada. India is known as Union of States. Constitution of Finland. Concept of directive principles of the state policy. Constitution of USSR. Fundamental duties. Basic features of our Constitution. Unique Constitution. Our Constitution is unique because it is composed from the best features of many existing constitutions. The lengthiest Constitution. It is divided into 22 parts, 395 articles and 12 schedules. It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete it. Written Constitution. Our Constitution is written. It was drafted and enacted by Constituent Assembly specially elected for this purpose. Rigid and flexible. A constitution is called rigid or flexible on a procedure of its amendments. The Constitution of India is a combination of both rigid as well as flexible. It is not only a state document that is a framework for democratic governance but also an instrument that may require modification. Parliamentary form of government. In a parliamentary democracy, there is a close relationship between the legislature and the executive. The Council of Ministers is constituted from amongst the members of the legislature. It holds the office as long as it continues to enjoy the confidence of the legislature. In the parliamentary form of government, the head of the state, the president, In the case of the India, is the nominal head. Federal and unitary system. The constitution of a federation is written and rigid and divides powers between the center and the states. India has a federal system, but with reference, the central government is more powerful than at the time it appears that India is not really a federation but a unitary state. However, the Constitution of India has several features of a federation combined with the elements of a unitary state. Universal adult franchise. It means that every citizen of India who is 18 years and above is entitled to vote in the elections without any discrimination of caste, color, class, religion or gender. It is based on equality, which is a basic principle of democracy. This right enables all citizens to be involved in the governance of the country through their elected representatives. Single citizenship. In India, we have single citizenship. Every Indian, irrespective of the place where she lives, is a citizen of India. There is no citizenship in the name of the states. All the citizens of India can ensure employment anywhere in the country. India has a single integrated judicial system. Unlike the judicial system of the US, we do not have separate federal and state courts. In our country, the entire judiciary is one hereditary of court. The Supreme Court of India and the High Court form a single integrated judicial structure with jurisdiction over all laws. Some facts. The kings of the princely states who merged them with India after independence were paid a fixed annual amount of money as a scrip. It was called privy purse. India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic state. Universal adult franchise, which is the right to vote, was granted in 1950 to every citizen of India above the age of 21 years, but 61st Amendment in 1988 lowered the age to 18 years. So that's all. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video with friends. See you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye.